Okay, so it's time to take a look at the NFT markets currently that are active in the LUNC sector. With Garada NFT Marketplace, really happy for them. Glad they've launched another utility and a competing marketplace. Competition is always needed in the DeFi space. It's very important we have multiple launch pads with different kind of levels where Garada is more an open sea of LUNC is how I see it. You can just go launch a collection there. It's very easy for you to do that. Now, when it becomes very easy, that also brings a very high yield of projects that are just based solely on their art. A lot of successful projects are built on their art. For instance, Bored Ape Yacht Club was initially built on its art. They had no use case, and they still majority have no use case. They get airdrops. They've had airdrops. They've had land allocations from them. So they have kind of paid themselves off, right? But ultimately, the use case is that will give them access to the Bored Ape Yacht Club metaverse, which I've forgotten the name of it, the other side. That will give them access to that. So that's sort of like a good use case where something's been based on art and they develop from that. Now, saying all of this, Miata have put up warnings. So, you know, as per the title, as per the thumbnail, you do need to go and check what NFT projects you are currently involved with. Now, these warnings are coming as this collection has high risk of being abandoned. Please trade with care. So the likelihood is they've unstaked the treasury. They've been doing some sort of devious moves behind the scenes. Miata's monitoring, and they are just simply letting the community know that these warnings are available and to heed them. If you are involved in stuff like this, it's a harsh lesson to learn that, you know, try get involved with projects that have sustenance, they've got drive, they've got a community, they've got a heading, and they've got someone at the forefront who's got a vision of what they perceive and what they realistically would like to do with what they have at hand. I've worked so hard the past, I would say, 3 days, taking a lot of information in what I call the blue books and putting them into a Gitbook. Now, this Gitbook is going to be available from the time that this video goes out. Yes, it's going to be live for absolutely everybody. And you're saying, well, why are you telling us this, Jay? Well, a lot of people, in fact, over 1 million people have utilized our guides here on YouTube. That means they've reached more than 1 million people, and more than 1 million people went in and viewed, and other places that we had them posted. It reached a lot of people. It helped a lot of people, and those guides have been lost to time. There is a playlist that still gets buried and lost to time. People want easy information and they want it readily available. Now, with the doc system on LUNC, we really do lack a Terra Classic sort of like bundle guide system. I've got together the more or less the core necessities that the community is realistically going to need in one place for now. You've got every station guide and you've got it all broken down on the right hand side. That means you can simply just click what you want to see, go down, and you can just click play and it plays it straight away there for you in the window. As simple as that. No more going through YouTube, no more going through loads of different playlists or searching for things. If you need to know something, someone you know needs to know something, send them to the Gitbook. Okay, send them here. Everything that you more or less need to know visually and need a tutorial of, I have done it previously. I've done loads of these before, but these are my best ones that I believe are the most straight to the point. I think that this is more than needed, and, you know, it takes someone like myself to step forward and just try and change the game, not with just the way that I do things here on YouTube, but also on Twitter, also with, you know, the LUNC governance, being a node operator and then developing projects in the background, developing games, mobile apps, websites. And then I also work a full-time job. I manage just over 104 people. So I took on more as of yesterday. But getting back to the point, everything you need to know is here. Governance discussions to the official current system is here. You want burn data sites? They're here. You want LUNC metric sites? You've got them. You want to see the marketplaces that are currently available? You got it. Garada, I will add you to this. Please don't take any offense. I will literally do it after this video. You want to see the burn projects? Cool. We've got the ones up that are currently doing what they should be doing. The list is not complete nor official. Do your own research. None of this documentation. There's a disclaimer all the way here at the bottom. None of this is to be treated as financial advice. Do read the disclaimer. So getting back to the video, and just realistically, we're just going over these top 2 bits here. I'm going to be going over everything else for my Penguin community, which they're very excited about to see this, because this contains their whole timeline and story of where we're going and what's available and what's coming. They're going to be very excited. It's a very exciting time to be a Penguin holder. The rewards they never stop. The drops never stop. The excitement just keeps going. We've got everything you need to know about our node. We've got everything you need to know about auto compounding. We've got links, how to do it, how to authorize it. We've got the USTC airdrop module, which is being prepped. It's almost ready, and that is going to be coming soon to the holders. We will be taking a snapshot for everybody who is staked on our node from a certain date when this module was announced. So don't worry, it's all backfed. We are currently in the pull request process for getting listed on Trust Wallet. It costs us a lot of money, but it's definitely worth it to allow Ledger users to be able to stake with our node. We've got everything you need to contact us now. If you need direct information to get hold of me, you want to, show me your project, you've got a proposal you want me to look over, anything you need, it's there, okay? Everything is now here. We're taking the most professional approach that we can as the HCC factory, which is just me, and my mod team, of course, and people like Strafe who pitch in. But ultimately, those people, all part of their own projects, communities, they just sort of, we help each other. That's how it works. And it's a symbiotic relationship. Now, getting back to the point, this is going to be a very useful tool going forward, because I'm going to continue to update it. I'm going to continue to keep building it out, adding more guides, more information, and just somewhere where people can actually find straight to the point information without diving through the docs, searching for things. Because people, you want it just like this. Oh, validators explained. Brilliant. Oh, he's got a video up. Sweet. Oh, how long? 8 minutes of my time. Oh, 13 minutes on this one. No problem. Sit down, have a cup of tea. You've learned a lot. You've learned a lot. So we've got a lot of exciting things coming on. We're working on a lot. I'm going to be doing a Project Lungburn video today, update for that. I've got a lot to go over with the community, and it's the same for the Penguins community. If you're looking at Penguins, you're thinking about getting involved in Penguins, we've got our proof of concept trailers, we've got our normal trailers, we've got everything up you need to know about this project. We have got the breakdown of all of our rarity classes. We have got everything. Like I said, it's an amazing time to be involved in the HCC community, and anyone who's a delegate supporting us, part of our groups, our environments, or anything like that, how good things are going to get. I'm trying to build an NFT project with more than just one use cases. In fact, I'm bringing about 10 different use cases on top of the current best staking rewards for NFTs in the LUNC sector, on top of having the biggest treasury, which also pays out the best rewards and continues to keep growing. You get airdrops, USTC coins. Oh, it's amazing. The gems, the banking, everything. Good videos coming today, folks. Stay safe. I hope there's another video coming between this video and the next one. It's kind of a shit sandwich today, folks. Deal with it how you need to deal with it. Take it how you need to take it. But ultimately, absorb that information. You know me, when I speak from my heart, not my back wallet. My back wallet. And yeah, it's all just, dead honest from me. I'm not here to benefit myself. My Penguins community speak the best for my motives of giving everything back. And it annoys so many of these big projects. But with the way everything's going, change is ahead. We've been marching for a long time as a community, and change is ahead. You just need to support the right people. Folks, have a really nice day. None of this is financial advice. Beware of scammers, doppelgangers, anybody pretending to be me or the Happy Get Crypto channel. It's all for educational purposes only and my own humble opinion. And I'll catch you in the next one.